द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एथिक्स, यानी कि एथिक्स की शुरुआत कब हुई? इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स स्टोरी. Different religious and non-religious thinkers remain engaged in ethical and moral reasoning about 3000 years ago. The story of or the development of ethics begins in ancient Greece. According to Greeks, for example, one of their philosopher Plato said, everything has its own form. For example, body is nothing without a soul. So everything, body is one form and soul is another form, but body without soul is nothing. Aristotle deviated from the idea of Plato. Actually, he was the student of Plato, but he deviates from his idea and he used the term function. Now, function can be described in different virtues in the form of happiness, sadness, crying. So all these aspects are defining the virtues of a human being, of a particular human being. It is describing the feelings about the human behavior and about the ethics of a particular individual. Now, Jewish, they also tell us about the ethical and moral thinking while the Greeks were grappling with these ethical issues. And according to them, God had spoken through his 10 commandments. उन्होंने अपने 10 पैगंबरों के मुताबिक अपने codes of conduct decide किए. And those codes of conducts can be religious practice, personal hygiene, or it can be anything like morality or anything associated with our life. जबकि Christianity ने हज़रत ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम को follow किया. So Christians follow the life of Jesus Christ, and according to their lives, they build up the discipline of ethics. Now, in 1979, Thomas broke the idea of Aristotle, which was about the function, and he remained stick to the function of human body. He described the function of every part of the body, that human beings can function best if they are in a good health, if they have good education, and if they have a freedom to choose. So Thomas described the natural law theory in the beginning of the 19th century. So natural law theory later becomes the basis of Catholic teaching. Now in modern science, यानी कि 21वीं सदी कब से start हुई? It starts with the work of Newton and Galileo. And during this time period, a theory, constitutionalism, was introduced, that what can be the consequences of your right and wrong conduct. आपके अच्छा और बुरा करने से क्या consequences, क्या results हो सकते हैं. For example, Tony Blair said that Saddam Hussein must be removed from the Iraq because it is better for the people of Iraq as well as for the security of the West.